Hi guys, today I will show a $750 cash up gift card. So watch the full video carefully. First open your favorite browser and go to the search bar. Type here paycell.com and press the enter button. Just wait. Yes, this is our website. You can see many types of offer. We go to $750 cash and gift card, and here we can see some health product. Anyway, we go to $750 cash and gift card. Click give away enter button. Finally, we go to $750 cash and gift card. Yes, available. Yes, click continue. Or gift card generating. Waiting. Our reward generating $750 cash out. Gift card. Next. First name, last name, zip code to continue, address, city and phone number, and continue. Tick mark, date of birth, and continue. Complete to continue your reward. Just serve option. Yes. Yes. You fill up as you like. Yes. No car. Finish. Yes, the tick mark and next tick mark and next. Just you fill up this survey form fully and continue. No thanks. If you want other gift, if you want, try. But you know, okay, incomplete. Then you get $750 cash out gift card. So this one deal complete. Thank you. Was the video.